Every night, Benny the spaceman dreamt of exploring distant galaxies. One night, as he gazed up at the stars, he felt a strange pull. "It must be time," Benny said excitedly. He put on his spacesuit, climbed into his rocket, and blasted off. Benny flew through the galaxy, passing planets with colors he'd never seen before. He felt a little scared, but also very excited. "I wonder what I'll find out there," Benny thought. Suddenly, he saw a bright light and his rocket was pulled towards it. "This must be it," Benny said, his heart pounding with excitement. He landed on a beautiful planet, with towering trees and a shining sun. Benny stepped out of his rocket, feeling the soft, warm ground beneath his feet. He looked around, amazed by the beauty of the planet. "I can't believe it," Benny said. "I've finally made it to the Land of Luminous Stars." He spent the day exploring the Land of Luminous Stars, meeting friendly aliens and learning about their world. He learned about their unique language, their delicious food, and their fascinating customs. Benny was sad to leave the Land of Luminous Stars, but he knew he had to return home. He climbed back into his rocket and said goodbye to his new friends. As he flew back home, Benny thought about all the amazing things he had learned. He couldn't wait to tell his friends and family about his adventure. When he arrived back on Earth, Benny was greeted with open arms. He told everyone about the Land of Luminous Stars, and they were all amazed. From that day on, Benny was known as the bravest spaceman in the world. He continued to explore the galaxy, always looking for new adventures and new friends to meet. And every night, he would dream of his next space adventure, wondering what wonders awaited him in the vast unknown. The end.